So we start out today's video with this really cool DIY pendant lighting. This is so cool. So she put these right above her bedside. She used the puck lights, so no need to worry about the electricity. Wow, love this idea. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone ironing some foil. We saw the basket at the beginning, so I'm guessing she's gonna do something with this basket. Oh, she gave it kind of like a worn look. So she's weaving that around the basket. So far I'm liking the color scheme. Oh, adding in some straps, very nice. Oh, it's a nice planner. Wow, that is so cool. Love that design. So then we have someone making these flower tissues. So apparently this is a thing, making flowers with toilet paper. You can get the toilet paper from the dollar store, by the way, and they look like really pretty roses. I actually love this idea. I think it's so cool. And with Mother's Day coming up, you can create several different projects with this particular design in mind. So I did see another video that featured the toilet paper flowers, and they did theirs a different way, but this one actually looks better to me. So pretty. And you can color those as well. If you wanted to add like some red, you can do it with using blush. I've seen that done in a different video. Very cool idea. So then we have some old light bulbs here. You can do this with new light bulbs as well. I think they have light bulbs at the dollar store. Just, giving out some little pointers if you want to do this project yourself. And she made like these really cool pear shapes with this. I think that this idea is brilliant. Very cool. So here we have someone with a huge water jug. So she cut it. She's painting that. Love the bold colors, pink and yellow. Looks like she might be making like a lampshade. Wow. What a brilliant DIY. Amazing. And then we have some mason jars. So this one uses like fairy lights. You just grab a piece of wood, paint it. And I love the idea of making wall sconces with like fairy lights or puck lights. Like it's just, it saves on the electricity bill. Plus, you don't have to worry about like messing around with like electrical when you're like making your DIYs. Very cool. Wow. I like the fact that she used two different kind of flowers too. So then we have another one that features some old light bulbs. You can of course grab new ones if you want. They're pretty inexpensive, honestly. But saving your old ones and then recycling them would definitely be like a better way to go about doing this project. So what she ends up doing is painting them. I really love the color scheme that she does. Putting flowers, the pastels, just such a pretty, fun, festive, like spring DIY. So cool. Oh, she actually turned those into vases. I thought they were just going to be hanging like the different colors by itself, but vases. Wow. That is really cool. I would need like fake flowers in mine though, because those things would not live long. But I love the concept. Zero cost wall decor. Well, not actually, because you still have to pay for the popsicle sticks. Oh, it's like a little mirror design. That's cool. Or you could do one little big mirror in the middle. That would work as well. So here's another DIY featuring some popsicle sticks. Oh, this is like the same thing. I guess apparently that's a popular concept. Very cool. And then I thought that this was really interesting. So apparently there's something called salt art. I didn't even know that that was a thing. I wonder if you could do this with like sugar though too. And they did kind of like an ombre color for this. Really pretty. Oh, I think it's supposed to say ocean. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed these DIY project ideas and my reaction to them. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.